Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we delve into the intriguing topic of how to crack the code to feeling, which is often regarded as the secret to unlocking personal empowerment and transformation. Our purpose here is to share transformative techniques that can help you harness the power of your emotions to manifest your desires and create the life you truly want. Feelings play a crucial role in shaping our reality. They are the driving force behind our thoughts and actions, influencing the outcomes we experience. By understanding and mastering our feelings, we can effectively change our lives for the better. Throughout this video, we promise to provide you with actionable insights that you can implement immediately, leading to significant changes in your life. Whether you're seeking to improve your relationships, career, or overall well-being, the techniques we discuss will empower you to take control of your emotional landscape. So get ready to explore how your feelings can be the key to unlocking your potential and manifesting your dreams. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment, and learn how to turn your feelings into a powerful tool for positive change. Robert Zink's personal story is a powerful testament to resilience and transformation in the face of adversity. At one point in his life, he found himself on the brink of homelessness, living in a cheap hotel that served as a stark reminder of his struggles. Each day was a battle, filled with uncertainty and fear about the future. However, everything changed during a pivotal moment when Robert realized that he had the power to change his feelings and, consequently, his life. This epiphany ignited a spark within him, prompting him to shift his mindset from one of despair to one of hope and determination. He began to focus on positive thoughts and emotions, which gradually transformed his circumstances. Robert's journey serves as an inspiration for viewers who may be facing similar challenges, illustrating that no matter how dire the situation may seem, change is possible. By embracing the power of feelings and taking proactive steps, anyone can overcome obstacles and create a brighter future. His story encourages us all to believe in our ability to rise above adversity and to take control of our lives, no matter how daunting the journey may appear. Feelings play a crucial role in the manifestation process, as they create subconscious impressions that significantly influence our reality. Our emotions act as a powerful signal to the universe, shaping the experiences we attract into our lives. When we feel a certain way, we imprint those feelings onto our subconscious mind, which then guides our actions and decisions, ultimately determining the outcomes we experience. The universe operates on the principle that it mirrors our subconscious beliefs and feelings. Therefore, if we harbor negative emotions or limiting beliefs, we are likely to attract similar experiences. Conversely, when we cultivate positive feelings aligned with our desires, we open ourselves up to receiving what we truly want. This alignment is essential as it ensures that our emotional state resonates with our goals, creating a harmonious vibration that draws those desires closer to us. By consciously managing our feelings and ensuring they reflect our true aspirations, we can effectively harness the power of manifestation. Understanding this significance empowers us to take charge of our emotional landscape, allowing us to attract abundance, joy, and fulfillment into our lives. Ultimately, aligning our feelings with our desires is the key to transforming our dreams into reality. Counter-intentions refer to the conflicting thoughts and feelings that can hinder the manifestation process, creating a barrier between our desires and their realization. These opposing intentions often arise from negative emotions, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs that contradict our goals. For instance, if someone desires financial abundance but simultaneously feels unworthy of wealth, those counterintentions can sabotage their efforts, preventing them from attracting the prosperity they seek. Overcoming these opposing feelings is essential for achieving desired outcomes. It requires a conscious effort to identify and address the negative emotions that may be lurking beneath the surface. Examples of how negative emotions can dominate our reality are abundant. A person may want to cultivate loving relationships but harbor feelings of fear or resentment from past experiences, which can manifest as isolation or conflict in their current interactions. Similarly, someone striving for career success might struggle with anxiety or imposter syndrome, ultimately limiting their potential. By recognizing and transforming these counterintentions into positive affirmations, we can align our emotional state with our goals, paving the way for successful manifestation. This process is vital for creating a reality that reflects our true desires and aspirations. Manifesting desires effectively hinges on three key principles that can transform your approach to achieving your goals. The first principle is to focus on end emotions and feel as if your desires are already fulfilled. By immersing yourself in the feelings associated with achieving your goals, you create a powerful emotional resonance that attracts those desires into your reality. The second principle emphasizes the importance of living in gratitude and appreciating your current blessings. Cultivating a mindset of gratitude not only enhances your overall well-being, but also aligns your energy with abundance, making it easier to attract more positive experiences into your life. When you acknowledge and celebrate what you already have, you open the door to receiving even more. The third principle involves rewriting your story to align with your desired outcomes. This means consciously changing the narrative you tell yourself about your life and capabilities. By adopting a new perspective that reflects your aspirations, you empower yourself to take actions that support your goals. Together, these principles create a powerful framework for manifesting desires, enabling you to harness your emotions, cultivate gratitude, and reshape your reality in alignment with your true aspirations. Embodying gratitude and fulfillment is a transformative practice that can significantly enhance your overall well-being and manifesting abilities. It's essential to encourage viewers to express gratitude for small victories and blessings, as these moments often go unnoticed yet hold immense power. Celebrating even the tiniest achievements can shift your mindset and create a ripple effect of positivity in your life. Robert's personal journey exemplifies this. He often shares how embracing gratitude transformed his perspective during challenging times. By focusing on what he was thankful for, even in the face of adversity, he was able to cultivate a sense of fulfillment that propelled him forward. This shift not only improved his emotional state but also attracted more positive experiences into his life. Maintaining a positive emotional state in daily life is crucial as it helps to reinforce the practice of gratitude. When you consciously choose to focus on the good, you create a vibrant energy that resonates with abundance. This practice encourages a deeper connection to your desires and fosters a mindset that welcomes opportunities. By embodying gratitude and fulfillment, you empower yourself to navigate life's challenges with grace and optimism, ultimately manifesting the life you envision. Introducing the Miracle Hypnosis Program, a powerful tool designed to help individuals rewrite their personal stories and transform their lives. This innovative program works by guiding users through a series of hypnosis sessions that target and change subconscious beliefs, allowing them to break free from limiting patterns and embrace a more empowering narrative. By tapping into the subconscious mind, the program facilitates profound shifts in perception, enabling users to align their thoughts and feelings with their desired outcomes. For those interested in exploring this transformative resource, the Miracle Hypnosis Program offers a free trial, allowing you to experience its benefits firsthand without any financial commitment. Additionally, if you find that the program doesn't meet your expectations, cancellation is straightforward and hassle-free, ensuring a risk-free experience. We encourage viewers to take advantage of this opportunity for deeper transformation. By engaging with the Miracle Hypnosis Program, you can unlock the potential to rewrite your story, cultivate positive beliefs, and manifest the life you truly desire. Embrace this chance to invest in yourself and discover the profound impact that changing your subconscious beliefs can have on your overall well-being and success. As we prepare for our upcoming video on relationship dynamics, it's important to acknowledge the common struggles many face in their personal connections. Whether it's misunderstandings, unresolved conflicts, or the desire for reconciliation, these challenges can weigh heavily on our hearts. Many of us yearn for harmony and understanding in our relationships, and that's why we're excited to introduce the next topic: how to encourage someone to apologize. Apologies can be a crucial step in healing and rebuilding trust, yet initiating this process can often feel daunting. In our next video, we will provide practical advice and strategies, help you navigate this sensitive terrain effectively. You'll learn how to create an environment conducive to open communication, fostering a space where both parties feel safe to express their feelings. We'll also explore techniques to encourage accountability and understanding, paving the way for meaningful conversations. By the end of the video, you'll be equipped with actionable insights that can significantly improve your personal relationships. So stay tuned as we delve into these essential tools for fostering connection and reconciliation, helping you cultivate healthier, more fulfilling relationships in your life. In summary, we've explored the vital role that feelings play in manifesting desires and personal empowerment. Our emotions are not just fleeting experiences. They are powerful forces that shape our reality and influence the outcomes we attract into our lives. By understanding and harnessing these feelings, we can align ourselves with our true aspirations and create the life we desire. As we conclude this discussion, we encourage you to take action. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us reach more individuals seeking personal growth and transformation. Additionally, we invite you to explore our related content, which delves deeper into topics such as gratitude, overcoming counterintentions, and effective manifestation techniques. These resources can further enhance your understanding and empower you on your journey. Remember, the path to personal empowerment and fulfillment begins with you, and every small step counts. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to continuing this journey of growth and discovery together.